Hey guys, Princess Strawberry here, and welcome back to part 2 of What's in My Attic. So today, for some reason, the attic is open, and we don't know why. But I gotta go up there, and I think there's a window up there open. And I got my mom here. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
So she's gonna help me. But first, I gotta get up here. And, well, to get up in the attic ain't an easy piece of cake.
Not bothering.
Okay, well, yeah, we gotta take everything down so I don't knock it on the floor. Especially that would be a real pancake mix mess.
Yeah,
Okay,
that would be a mess.
so I gotta put my one foot up here. There's no... Okay. Ooh, spooky. Okay, we have a flashlight?
Not up here.
I'm gonna need a flashlight.
The only flashlight I know is in your dad's room.
Oh,
Unless you got one off your phone.
I'm using my phone to record a video. Hang on, guys. Just gonna get a flashlight. No, but since I've been in this attic, this has been opened, and I don't know why. I'm pretty sure I closed. Oh, we got a flashlight. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that's the one in your dad's room.
Now, this is the fun part. I use my whole upper body. Oh, this is flickering. Spooky.
That's the only one I can find. I can't find my other bedroom. I have another bedroom like something like that.
If I could get the light to work. Whoa, someone's been up here. Why is shit moved around?
What? There's something up there.
Okay. Let's just... Okay, so I got the flashlight to work. For some reason it was glitchy. I don't know what window is open exactly. But yeah, this is our attic. That's our kitchen down there. So I had to like climb up here. It's really cold up here. But this board, everything's been shuffled. Like, this wasn't there before. Why is this board crooked? I don't know. I can't really see much. Is it around here? I already know that this switch doesn't work. Because I tried. Weird, my light's flickering. Mom, did you put new batteries in this flashlight?
Yes.
She did. That's weird. That is really weird. There's that. Playing in the installation now. Just playing in the installation, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna get down. I'm gonna close this properly. Now, this is one thing I didn't show in the last video of me putting this back up. Now, this time I'll close it, but if it opens again, our house is haunted, man. Okay. See, it's closed properly.
Here, I'll put the stuff up here.